Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing a Landa pressure washer here. This thing is, I want to say 15 years old. Bought it a few months ago as a replacement and decided that we're going to be going to a little bit smaller pressure washer. So we're going to detail this thing before we sell it. Used wash soap, Red Knot super drying towel. Now, first things first, I'm going to use American Detailer Garage F-Bomb, spray the whole thing down, soak it for a while, brush it, and pressure wash it off. And then we're going to get started with the polishing and the trim restoration. Now, we polished all of the yellow paint on this thing, and I guess it didn't really turn out that great, but it is quite a bit glossier than it was before, so that's a good thing. We're going to go on to using the Midnight tire dressing on all the plastic trim, getting that shined up. Now, Midnight here is actually a kind of a dyed, you can see there, dressing. It actually gives anything that's black a really nice satin black appearance, just like it was when it was brand new. Covers up all this white nasty residue, gives it just a really clean appearance. Now obviously there was some paint overspray on this thing, nothing we can really do about that. It is a commercial piece of equipment, but this is really shining it up and cleaning it up nicely.